now. I'm preparing for a very impromptu trip. I only left right around 20 minutes to pack up. Don't know what to pack. It's just a day trip, so coming back tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, have to rush.
哇塞，早餐吃面。Winter has officially ended, and today we are entering the daylight saving time zone. So now we are 5 hours ahead of Singapore time instead of 4 hours. End of winter, everyone is slowly leaving here and starting to travel around. Today, this impromptu trip is to gather everyone, to make a last trip together and play together. So today, this trip we are going to the Rotorua. It's roughly around 2 to 3 hours from Auckland. Yeah, we are going for river rafting. Going to experience this exciting activity. So it's early in the morning, so our activities should start around at 11. So yeah, let's go. 今天我们要去哪里哈？
去什么？不能。
我把整支水加进去都。
新街道，小心。
Let's move out. 走。After around 3 hours of car ride, we have reached this Okiri Fall, which is there's a waterfall nearby for us to raft. So now we are waiting for the instructors, waiting for the time to be passed. So we have roughly 1 hour here for activity. This is my driver. Drive for 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours. Easy. Actually, we don't need to wait. Just now we went to the counter. They say we can go right now because there's not much people over here. So yeah, so we opt for going straight away. Everyone is preparing their swimsuit. Okay, I'm going to switch to my GoPro because it's not convenient to carry my camera around. Switch!
Welcome to Cascades, guys. Who's excited? Ready to go rafting? Yeah, you guys all that's what I like to see. High five for that. Like that. So, when we go rafting, we're going to give you some gear to wear. First thing we'll give you is one of these little fleece tops, alright? These go against your skin or your swimwear. Do not wear any cotton shirts underneath this, alright?
Alright.
Cotton, when it gets wet, makes you really, really cold. These things, when they get wet, they keep you nice and warm.
Yes, suit on, everything on. Maybe the instructor will brief us on how to do the rafting.
My name is Pete and I'll be your guide.
Hi, Pete.
Who's rafted before? You have. Right.
It's a long time ago.
You're my plan B, we captains.
All right.
Now, sitting down here, guys, we take 1 foot forward, 1 foot backwards.
End of the briefing. Now we are getting on the bus and go to the top of the waterfall. Ready. Hi, sorry, I have to interrupt this vlog for a moment. There's some missing clips in my GoPro, so for the first part of this water rafting, the clip is gone. I'm not sure why this clip is not there. I remember that I record from the start to the end. When I review the clip, it only shows the second part of the water rafting and missed the first part. And this first part is the highlights. Okay, let me reintroduce you what's this Kaituna water rafting about. They are one of the world's highest commercial rafted waterfall. It's 7 meters high. So yeah, we rafted 7 meters down the waterfall. Although we don't have the clips to show you, but I got picture to show you. So this first picture is before the 7-meter waterfall, just before. And then we rafted down and submerged inside the water for a few seconds, and we get back up, float up. And yep, this is the 7-meter waterfall, and that's our boat. So now to the second part of the clip, just after we finish the 7-meter high waterfall.
The waterfall always spawns what you don't want. So that's why we're like, hell yeah, and it's like, oh no, you guys are cool.
Easy. Right, one, right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, stop, stop. Forward. Stop. Oh. Yeah. Ready? Go! Whoa! Can I? Sure?
下去了，抓紧，抓紧，抓紧，抓紧！
Come on! Oh, cold. I'm freezing.
要下到了。
Stop! One more time! Come on! Oh!
大男生在前面。
啊
OK。
没，洗刷哦。大头，他让我自己一个人下跳步不就是这样？
很好玩，现在。要不要游过去？
哈哈
You're awesome. Thanks for coming.
You are awesome too.
Oh, my man. Good time, brother.
Yeah, good time, good time.
Hug, mate. You're doing awesome in the back seat. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Nice. Big hugs for the girls. Well done. And that was literally badass. You guys are amazing people. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, thank you.
Some days it's really hard work. You guys are just like... You know, every good thing always has a bad thing.
The carry.
Yeah.
I know.
You've done this before, right?
Yeah.
So the tall guys, maybe at the back. Oh, that look, that look.
哎，我拿不到哦，我真拿不到。All right, on the top.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Put it down.
Okay. It was really, really fun. Oh, amazing. Kaituna waterfall.
再见啊！我们5个月的相处，今天就
还有2个要抱抱。
一定要加一定，我是晶晶，晶晶抱着你去哪？再见，
Now, one of our Takanini family has left. So in the next coming weeks, slowly everyone will be leaving soon to travel around New Zealand. There goes our last trip. Memorable trip. Wish everyone the best. Bye.
他翻白眼，我看到了，在里面说翻白眼，我看到了，我看到了。